So I'm going to write again the formula. So your NPR will be n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay? If it is C here, again I repeat, if it is C here, you just add another r factorial. See? That's the difference between these two formula. Easy to memorize. NCR is given. So from the NCR, you can be creative a bit. And then if they ask for NPR, this is a very rare question. So I bet this coming exam, maybe they will ask NCR or NPR. Okay, so get ready for this type of question. I really hope you can answer because we discussed many times already this one in class. Yeah. Okay, so we use that formula NPR where your N is still N. Your R here is 5. Substitute. Is 5. Substitute. Let's substitute. When you substitute, n factorial over n minus 5 factorial. This is factorial, right? 5, right? So that is your R, right? Okay, so n minus 5. Why is it still n? Because the question here is still n. They can use any variables. They can use x. They can use y. They can also use alpha. So you just substitute accordingly. Okay, that's how you do. All right. Can I? While I'm else's. Okay, hang on. Okay, next. I want Ian to help me. Okay, help me to substitute. This 6 just copy. Ian, help me to substitute this to the formula. This part here. Okay, obviously I have fraction. What do I put at the numerator, Ian? Answer. Quickly. Answer. N minus 1 factorial. Very good. N minus 1. Don't forget the factorial. Okay. And the next one, can Wailam answer me? What do I put at the denominator here? Wailam, please. 4 factorials. Why? Oh, no. Why is it 4 factorials here? Look at the question. Okay, look at the formula. Yes. Ian, it's n minus 5, right? You take this one, that's your n. N minus 1, that is your n, and then you minus your r, where your r here is 4. Then you minus 4. That is how Wailam get n minus 5. Okay? You put it here, n minus 5. Oh, you see, well, if this come out, I really hope you all can answer. This is not that hard, you know. This one, I told you yesterday, we can cancel off. It's a similar question like the combination. Okay, why you can cancel off? Because this is times. If times, you can cancel off. If this is here is plus, that part will be a bit ugly, where you have to express in a common, get the common denominator, express it in a single fraction. Okay, why can we cut? Because this one, if you bring over here, you will get n minus 5 factorials. So this one you can cancel off. That's why. Okay, so for this, I will cancel this, I will use cancel. I cancel, no more already. Okay, and then the n, you group them at your left side here. So what you will get here is n factorials over n minus 1 factorial equals to 6. Okay, and I also told you yesterday, if you have 7 factorial, what does it mean? It means 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, if you're lazy to write like this, you can choose to write 7 times 6 factorial. Okay, you also can write 7 times 6 times 5 factorial if you're lazy to write until 1. Okay, you can stop in between, just put the factorial there. Okay, why do you need to know this? Because here, where n, what is the meaning by n factorial? Means n minus 1 times n, sorry, it means n times n minus 1, and then you minus 1 again, so n minus 2, minus 1 again, n minus 3. This one will continue forever because you do not know what's the value of n. Okay, if you keep writing, one whole page also not enough for you. So be smart a bit. When you look at your numerator here, you have n minus 1 factorial. So be creative. I said you can stop anywhere in between here, anywhere. Okay, so I choose to stop here. n minus 1 factorial. This one no need. We choose to stop here. Why? So that we can cancel with this. Okay, we are trying to find the value of n. So try to get the simplest form. Try to simplify further. So I will write here n times n minus 1 factorial. I choose to stop here because I want to match with this denominator here. Okay, so once you choose to stop here, then you can cut. That's the reason. Okay, so from here you can get the answer. Therefore, n equals to 6.